This is a used 2008 Mercedes-Benz GL Class. It's powered by all-wheel drive, a 4.6-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. The features include dual sunroofs, electric trunk, heated seats, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, an auxiliary input, steering wheel controls, aluminum rims, dual temperature controls, automatic climate control. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, second and third row head airbags, rain sensing wipers, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Stanford Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 212 McGee Avenue, Stamford, Connecticut 6902.